About these?
All right, thank you so much. Skylanders.
Yeah, Amiibo. What do I think? Oh, I don't know.
You don't know?
Alright. It's broken, right? Cordless glue gun. Bunch of crafting stuff.
Thank you, sweetie. You take care. And if you end up like to somebody who sells more than
What is this? Oh wow.
You don't want it.
I don't?
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good. Sure, I'll see you around a few places today.
Thank you.
Yeah.
What'd you end up selling those magic cards for?
I never did. I never did. They're still sitting in, yeah. Yeah. They're just, yeah, I'm just holding on to them for now. I'm not in a rush on them.
I ran into some last weekend.
Yeah.
Going all the way back to antiquity.
Really? Wow.
No, because I didn't know what I was looking at.
Yeah, that happens.
I wasn't going to go a couple $100 on something that could have been junk.
Exactly. How much were you looking for on this?
Hey, Phoebe. I'm just trying to make it easy. Yeah, why don't you go get settled so people can like walk up and ask you? Okay. Is there something you need from the house? I'm gonna get a lantern.
I just bought your lantern.
How much did you want on that?
Just make me an offer, sweetie. Something you think is fair and reasonable.
So much.
Let's see. Does it have the...
It's just the controller and that with the little stuff thing.
Would you take 20 on it?
Sure.
Okay. What are you buying? The lanterns?
Oh God,
Oh,
you two were late. It's like, oh, wait a minute, hold on. You didn't see anything, did you?
So don't tell
I'll come up. That's okay. Thank you,
Hey.
sweetie. I appreciate it. Do you want a bag for that?
No, I'm gonna
Sure.
go.
Did you say something, Jenny? I can't.
Oh, no,
It needs tuned. It doesn't have a case.
Do you wanna?
And if you want $10 for that, or,
$10?
or 8, yeah,
Want
that's
me to go
fine.
grab your lunch?
Oh, there is.
I think I've
I'll
got
do
one in here.
800.
Just a matter of finding where's that.
Okay. Well, I'll stay right here if you want to go check.
Go
After
ahead.
you got figured out.
I'll do 8 on it.
Okay, that sounds good.
8. There you go.
Thank you, sweetie.
Yeah.
Enjoy. Hopefully someone can.
My
son
brother.
wanted to play it.
My brother can
There
fix
you
it
go.
up. He's a guitar guy.
There you go.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Let's see.
I'm the light right now.
That's a nice wrench. A gingerbread house is cool.
Samuel.
Yeah.
Get off of the
Just being a light.
So she's pricing everything, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll wait for her to come back out to ask about this.
We're gonna make you a pizza and
Hauntington Town Hall.
I might like put some cones out. You got cones?
I might have you help me, Sam, to see if I need to put batteries in this because it's brand new.
What do you got on these two?
I'll tell you what, I'm going to do the same thing you did before. Just make me an offer.
Okay.
Okay? How about 3?
Yeah.
It's Halloween. It needs batteries,
Okay.
though. And that can take the AC plug. How's that?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
3, and then I don't know what something like this is worth. $2, so 5.
Can I do 5 on that? Just because it's
5?
brand new and it's a It's a big torque
Sure.
thing.
I guess so.
Okay.
5 and 3, so 8. Okay.
Nice to see what we're doing.
Well, it's really dark.
Yeah, it's
The sun will come
I
up.
was going to have my handyman do the floodlight, you know, replace the one and put a new one in the other. And it's like,
Oh, that's okay. So, I don't know. I'm just gonna go back.
I'm going to do abs.
They're all brand new. They might be worthwhile. Alright, let's see what else she's got up here.
I like that. Did you work cave house?
Yeah. What was this?
Okay.
Cream ponds.
It's cute Christmas.
Alright, I think. Do you see anything else? Does she have stuff over here too?
There's some different ones. Just pull out what you're interested in. Whoops. I forgot. Oh, the things. Yeah, I was going to do my yard too. One that's a all plastic is new, but that one still works really well. I do have a plug I can put in on the porch. So you can go with me. You tell me what you want to do.
Okay. I have no idea what things like this go for. I
So
think
how
like
about, you want to do $2 each on that, and then do maybe whatever. You just tell me what you think is fair.
so like $8 total. 4 and then 4.
Yeah, that's cool.
Okay.
Thank you, sweetie.
$8 is our special number today, anyways.
I guess it is.
Do you have 2 singles I can get back?
I do. Let me get rid of that. I need new eyes too.
It's just super
Yeah,
dark.
I need new eyes and new ears, and I need a new head because I get tired of falling. This is not easy when I fall all over the place. How's that, sweetie?
Perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yep.
Jesus, I hate
The
those
last
things.
thing I want to see.
Oh
is
my
one of
god, I hate those things. What's that?
those. The airsoft stuff.
Oh, I know. Because when my son lived at home, in his room, I'd be finding them everywhere.
Yeah, I
For
took
years
the
after he
videos
moved out.
I'm painting up the 2 boys' rooms, and
You have dings in the ceiling and dings in
Yeah,
the
we did.
little
They-
hole.
They never shot
no, they did it
inside.
out. I find them in the yard a lot of times because I
But-
wouldn't let them do it inside.
They would shoot each other. But my neighbor's kids, when they
Pika.
lived there, he thought it was a good idea to do a picture. And work the picture and then you decide you go home. Yeah. Okay, all right, and then
I sucked them up where they had left them on the floor yesterday.
Yeah, that's nothing.
Yeah.
I've got some books in there if you would get, and then that should be it.
All right. Speaking of which, when you go
You got
downstairs
one
over the
I know,
printer,
but I was
underneath
looking
the
for my
printer,
kids.
there is. I don't know what you
Carry
quoted
stuff.
her for everything she's got over there.
Oh, are you ready?
How you doing this morning, man?
Good. How are
Oh,
you?
y'all together good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you getting all this?
Today, anyway.
Just right here.
Okay, okay. All right, and then 25 pages.
Oh, and there's one here.
NBA court. How much are your games?
$5 for the 64. Actually, $5 for everything. And if you don't negotiate, we can negotiate everything. 5 more than one.
175.
I gotcha.
Thank you. Do you need a bag?
What about these?
All right, thank you so much.
Skylanders.
Skylanders.
Yeah,
Thanks.
Amiibo. What do I think? Oh, I don't know.
You don't know?
No, just a couple dollars, a dollar or two, because
I was gonna try to listen, but anyway, $3 each.
$3 each.
Yeah. They good?
5. Would you do 5? 5
Yes,
for the set?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
it's like, why do you ask me if you're not?
Well, I didn't know if you'd already had a conversation.
Yeah.
Okay.
What is that, like a little...
That's actually a portable speaker. It actually works when I put the new batteries in.
Really?
Yeah. It has the little video, the audio outlet on it. But yeah, it works. Why don't
Interesting.
you call your boys? Maybe they can do it.
Tina, look, we could have costumes.
Yeah, I tell you what, yeah, these are funny, and they warm to it, and they don't, and you can drink through these things too. They go totally over your head.
You can wear it
And
now
then-
and warm up.
And then one of them wore a beanie on top of it, and they had sunglasses, but I don't know where they went.
That's hilarious.
Did that lady buy that? Oh, she bought that jewelry that was sitting
Let me
there,
look
right?
over here.
Okay.
Alright, let me go upstairs.
Airsoft,
I let him out of the bathroom.
Nerf,
Because I need to kind of look at it. That's all he ever does.
Hangman the game.
My son's girlfriend's cat. So.
This is cool. What is that noise? How much is this laser challenge?
Make me an offer.
$5?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's all I was thinking.
Yeah, perfect.
I've been watching too many picker shows.
There you go.
Do you watch him?
Yeah, I have a show.
You have a show? Where's it
Yeah,
on at?
on YouTube.
Okay, I don't watch a lot of YouTube stuff.
Okay. What do you watch? Like American Pickers?
I watch American Pickers, yeah.
Okay.
I work nights, so there's a lot of stuff that's in reruns at night. No,
The American Pickers were better before. Now I'm not.
since Frank left.
Not only that, but like also they're kind of unrealistic. Like if you look up the stuff they're buying, a lot
Yeah.
of times they're paying like twice what it's really worth.
Oh, really?
Just because like, oh, this is so cool, and then you like look it up, you're like, you just paid like 2 times the value of that thing.
Yeah. What do you use
But-
to look up your values?
Usually I don't look up until like I'm at home, but I use a site called WorthPoint.
Worth point. Okay.
Yeah, and it like looks past like it past sales for like the last 10 years.
Okay. Yeah.
It's kind of a combination. But yeah, no, that's, I mean, I do like those shows. Which other ones do you watch other than that?
I really a lot more than that. I watch that one because it comes on for like all night. They run it all night.
They
Soft
do,
Opera.
yeah. There's so many episodes
Flip
now.
over, yeah.
Oh, this one's falling out.
There she is.
Miss America.
Here.
Okay.
Motorstorms, Arctic Edge.
These are PC games here.
We're trying
Not-
to figure out what that thing is.
I
What,
couldn't
the
figure it out. I couldn't figure out what it was.
There's a
I would
noise.
say it was a squirrel, but it's, yeah,
Oh, I
you
know.
can't get around.
There's a bunch
I
of
grew
little,
up
I don't know if you're interested in any of this
CDs
stuff.
and stuff. What's that?
Yeah.
Interesting.
I don't know what you're saying.
We grew up helping our friends. They had a farm and land and do the hay. And
Uh-huh.
now, like, all around them is like, subdivision.
Yeah.
Um,
And every time I go, I was like, well, there goes another neighborhood. So.
that is different.
And you wouldn't hear the squirrels at all, so. Like,
Would you 10 for 3?
Yep.
This family lives in Florida.
oh, yeah? Tell you what, it was.
These are nice shoes.
And they, I mean, like, every ride was like 70 minutes at least, you know?
90 minutes for the Star, 2 hours for the Star Wars.
At one point it was 3.
How much are these Halloween costumes?
Can you give me 2?
2 a piece?
Yeah.
I saw this and I thought they're not going to fit me.
You're right.
What do we do? 2 for the.
I'm gonna get these costumes.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get both of them.
Okay.
They'll be fun.
Yeah.
Funny at least.
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, if you want to grab the
You bought this.
laser tag
So you're going to wear the costume and then...
with the laser guns. Sure. Uh-oh. Can you grab that? Thank you. All right, thank you guys.
Yep.
Have a good weekend.
Hey guys, thanks for coming with me and Tina to those yard sales. I got this really nice Alvarez guitar. Looked it up on reverb.com. It looks like it sells used for over $200, and she only charged me $8. I guess I could have paid the full $10 if I had known that, but I didn't. So I will say Reverb is a good place to look up instruments while you're at sales. It doesn't take long, and you can see what they're worth pretty quick. I did get this awesome giant like porcelain haunted house called Hauntington. And this thing is pretty valuable, like 40 or 50 bucks, but it has issues, right? It's got like the gargoyle broken off here. It's got one broken off here, and it's got a little break here. So it definitely is fragile, but I might keep it because it makes noise and stuff. Supposedly, I haven't tested it yet, but it is really cool. Oh yeah, look, there's batteries down here. It's from 2005. So yeah, I thought that was a really cool find. I also got some Amiibos. I got a Nintendo Wii, which does work. That red one, it looks like I can sell it for around $80. And the Amiibo, I think the Link one goes for like $20, and the Pikachu's only like $8. So they're hit or miss. You know, when I watch back the footage, I do kind of wish I had made an offer on all the games at that second sale with the N64 games and all that, but none of them were that valuable, honestly. They just weren't worth that much money. A lot of them, and let me know, maybe I'm wrong. Comment below, did I miss some killer one? But a lot of them were sports games. I did grab a couple that I had memories from my childhood from. I bought that laser tag, which looks like I can sell for around $30, $35. Oh, and of course I got that wrench, which I think sells for right around $25. So a lot of cool finds. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite find of the day was. Make sure you hit the like and the subscribe, guys. Make sure you check out this video next. I think you're really going to enjoy it.